Are you looking for a mirrorless camera? In this video, I will show you the 5 best mirrorless cameras based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Sony A7iii. Known for its updated sensor design, the Sony Alpha6400 mirrorless digital camera is suitable for both photo and video applications in a variety of working situations. 24.2 MP back-illuminated CMOS sensor and upgraded image processor help depict sharp images, maximize sensitivity, and extend dynamic range. Improved AF and tracking plus up to 10 frames per second continuous shooting capture decisive moments. Reliable operability ensures confident shooting. A light, compact body enhances mobility. The 4th product on the list is the Canon EOS M50. The compact and easy-to-use EOS M50 camera helps you capture the world in vibrant images and impactful 4K UHD videos. With features from fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS autofocus to a built-in electronic viewfinder, it's easy to see and savor the best memories of your life. The 3rd product on the list is the Fujifilm XT4. For over 85 years, Fujifilm has been using its expertise in color science to produce some of the greatest photographic films in the industry. XT4 harnesses the nostalgic beauty of this medium and makes it digitally accessible at the touch of a button. This has never been more apparent than with our latest film simulation mode, Eterna Bleach Bypass, which creates a high-contrast look with low saturation to perfectly emulate the popular bleach bypass film processing technique. The 2nd product on the list is the Sony Alpha6400. The Alpha6400 has been designed to allow for high-resolution, continuous shooting at high frame rates. It features a front-end LSI that works with the image sensor, Bion's X image processing engine, and a newly designed shutter mechanism with a braking feature to enable continuous shooting at impressive speeds up to 11 fps/3 with continuous autofocus and auto-exposure tracking at full 24.2 MP resolution while utilizing the mechanical shutter, and up to 8 fps/3 with full AF/AE tracking while silent shooting. Effective use of the focal plane phase detection system makes focusing during movie shooting fast and stable. The upgraded fast hybrid AF technology keeps your subject in constant smooth focus no matter the scene. The 1st product on the list is the Canon EOS R6. For photographers and video content creators looking for a versatile camera to keep up with their active lives, look no further than the EOS R6 full-frame mirrorless camera. Featuring a high-performance CMOS sensor, 4K video, and more, it offers all you need to take your imagery to the next level. The high-performance 20 MP CMOS image sensor helps the EOS R6 deliver outstanding image quality. 100% coverage of the frame and 1053 automatic AF zones, the EOS R6 will confidently follow elusive subjects at 20 frames per second for sharp images. Tracking subjects is easy and intuitive with the ability to track people using eye, face, and head detection AF, or when tracking the whole body, face, or eye of cats, dogs, or birds with animal detection AF. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.